welcome to Miss Petite. Today I'll be reviewing this cute item, which is supposed to be a cheap and easy way to dye your hair temporary with crazy colors. This color is purple obviously, and I'll be using it on my hair, which is partly orange brown, and I have brighter areas and darker areas, and we're going to see how it works on each area. As you probably know, usually any color that you try on, it will look better on a brighter hair than on a darker one. I'm going to try both, as I said, and we're going to see how it goes. So I'm just going to do a little bit of preparation here. Okay, just getting ready. So as I said, it's supposed to be easy to use. So all we're going to do, this is chalk color. What we're going to do is just take a small lock of hair. I apologize for the background noise, okay? They're building outside. So I'm just going to do a bit of rubbing here with our chalk device. One thing I can say right away, yeah, it's super messy, okay? I've got my fingers already filled with this purple, and also the rug beneath me, and it's scattered around with purple, so bear that in mind, and probably don't wear a white t-shirt or something like that, because it will be purple as well, or the color that you choose. So as you can see, this works really well on a bright piece of hair. Right, you can see that. I'm going to show you this up close later. And I'm going to take now a darker area. I'm going to do the same. Okay, so I'm going to have to do a little more work here, okay? Because this is a darker piece of hair. Okay. So, first of all, I've used this before to see how it goes, and I can tell you that it doesn't last for, if you need to go out like in an hour, so yeah, you can do it right before you leave the house, because it will just fall every second, I think, and eventually you'll be left with something pale, and if you have dark hair like mine, so it won't be seen like in a few hours. Also, don't do this before you go to bed, because it will mess your sheets, and probably you can wear a shower cup or something, you know, to keep this from falling. I'm just gonna come up close to show you. So yeah, this is the darker piece, and I know it looks really good, and it is looking good right now, but this won't last for I think like an hour or two. You see, if I touch this just a bit, you know, a little bit, this is what happens, okay? Yeah. And the other part, which was brighter, I'm going to do the same, and you're going to see that it falls, but less. So it's going to, just a second, right, it's going to last more. So if you have brighter hair, yeah, definitely you can use this and have fun. If you have darker hair, then just bear in mind that you have to work more, and it won't last for like a long time, okay? Yeah, but it's still cool, and it's nice, and it's working. Yeah, it's just not perfect, but it's working.